Good afternoon and welcome aboard RAVID. I'm Mike Porter with East Coast Yacht Sales, and today I'm on board a gorgeous 2023 Sirena 68. RAVID is a single owner boat. She's been very well maintained with a yacht management program down here in South Florida. She's been upgraded with a Spot Zero water filtration system, Spot Zero water maker, and she's all set up for your new dinghy. So very excited to take you for a walkthrough tour on this beautiful Sirena 68. So to start off, let's talk performance. The Sirena 68 is a very efficient vessel for her size and volume. At 18 knots, we're still well under 80% load. She's burning about 50 gallons an hour at that speed. If you kick it up to high cruise between 20 and 22 knots, she's burning about 65, 67 gallons an hour at that speed. So very efficient for a boat, keeping in mind we've got 4 cabins, 3 heads, full crew quarters, laundry room. It's a big vessel here, so it's a lot of volume to move that fast and that efficiently. So very happy with those numbers, and really one of the best parts about the Sirena is how she performs underway, and a big part of that is her fuel efficiency. The other really important feature is her safety rating. This is a Category A CE offshore safety rated vessel. It is built to that standard, and let's go take a look around the boat and show you a little bit about what makes this such a safe boat, and we'll go through all the other features of the boat and interior walkthrough as well. So let's take a look. All right, down here on the dock we get a nice profile look of RAVID. Big old swim platform here. She's all set up. You see the Schaefer flush mount connection points there. She's all set up for the dinghy with the universal tender chocks. So stepping onto the boat here, I've got a couple options. I'm gonna step on here because it's nice and easy from the floating dock. We also have these connection points here for the air stairs, which is mounted really nicely up on the side. So that really makes getting on and off the boat super easy. When the owners come in town, we put those stairs out and make it easy to get up. There's also one on the other side. So having that side boarding door, we were talking about safety earlier, really easy to hop onto the boat a couple different ways. Here's our entrance to our crew quarters and engine room. Coming up into the enclosed cockpit here. Big, nice, wide open space. Amazing entertaining here. And then walking down our side decks, I mean, this is over hip height for me. I'm not crazy tall, but really, really nice, safe walk-arounds here. If you've got kids, dogs, folks with limited mobility, super easy to get up to the bow. Take a look around here. We've got our gorgeous teak varnished Burgee staff there. These guys have varnished the cap rails. Really makes the boat look like a yacht. I love these accents around the furniture here. This looks really nice with that finished off. And Sirena, they come bare wood from the factory, so a lot of people like that rugged look, but the varnish sure looks amazing. And here's our LaFrance anchor windlass, and outboard on either side is our line locker, and down below that is the chain locker. We've got capstan windlasses here with the foot pedal on both sides for winching the boat into the dock, and our sun pad. Great entertaining space out here, and nice U-shape seat here with the table. Storage on both sides, cup holders, and our pop-up LED lights for the evening time. This has sound system stereo out here. I love the profile of the 68. There's our Fusion stereo control right there for the bow. And we have side decks on both sides here. That's my side access door. I'll show you that from the inside. Super safe walking around out here. A really great feel. We'll head up to arguably the best part of the boat up here on the Flybridge. We've got a ton of real estate. This is just gorgeous. Got our Kenyan grill here. Stainless steel sink. Tons of storage, fridges, freezers, ice maker. And we've got this big commercial cooler here. Of course, our rain shower, the Sirena staple. Love that. They've added a spigot here for wash downs. The TV pops up here out of this furniture unit. Humongous U-shaped settee to starboard. And then another U-shaped settee here to port. This is great to sit up here facing forward. We just finished the drone shots and sat there the whole time with the captain running the boat. This drops down on a high-low pedestal. That table drops down and there's a filler piece to make yet another sunbed on the boat. We've got two big Garmin displays up there. You can see our rear view camera, bow and stern thrusters, our throttles, autopilot, Humphrey interceptor trim tabs, all the bells and whistles. And this is a look at the bow of the boat. Check out all that volume. Holy cow. Teak is gorgeous. See, nice and golden, looking beautiful. We've got a man overboard life raft here. As I come down the steps, I've got handholds up top, handrails to the side. It's not a ladder, it's really nice integrated stairway here. Looks a bit steeper than it is, but very easy to get up and down the Flybridge. And then stepping into our salon, we have a ton of indoor-outdoor space with the aft cockpit integrated into the galley, aft galley, and the dining table over here. There's a window that comes up here. I've got storage and an ice maker. But this piece folds up in my window. Just comes right up here. It's nice to have it open on a day like today and, you know, maybe use it as a serving bar, but also close it up when you're not using the boat or in weather. Coming into the galley, we've got refrigerator up top, stowed the toaster in there for my photos, freezer down below. Got a 4-burner Miele induction cooktop here and the microwave convection oven below. And up top we have nice storage, and same with all these down below. This is all great storage down here and more storage back aft. Dining table to starboard with the bench outboard. A furniture unit here to starboard. Humongous Samsung flat screen TV comes out there. And then our interior entertaining space here to port, this large U-shaped settee with the dual height tables. Very ornate. Isotherm wine cooler. And then these are all storage. Got the Sirena cups and glasses that come out. And up top, nice cutlery storage. And moving forward again, we've got our port helm here. So our Flybridge helm was on starboard side. This is our port side preferred helm. Not that it really matters because we've upgraded the boat with this lovely DockMate. So this comes off the charger and you can wear it around your neck and dock the boat from anywhere on board. Push the boat sideways, use thrusters, the windlass, everything's right here. So I can do exactly what I need. It's a pretty amazing way to run the boat. And this allows you to single hand the boat, couples cruise. You do not need a captain to dock this boat. It only takes a little bit to teach you how to use this little mechanism, and you can stand wherever you want on the boat and dock it. We do have bow and stern thrusters that are proportional, so you can feather those on and off the dock. Very easy to maneuver this boat, even though she's a big girl. It's very easy to maneuver her on and off the dock. And our side access door here is semi-automatic. Press that button real quick. Once the dog's released, she opens right up, and we have our side deck access here right from the helm. Just after that is our main control panel, all of our breakers here, turn on and off the generators, all that good stuff. And then this amazing little seating area here to starboard. I love this area. It's a great place, both underway and at rest. Hang out there with your iPad, watch a show, or get some work done. We've added some additional handrails on this boat for, you can see these stainless pieces. These are all added. And check out the primary cabin here. Beautiful, huge. We've got hanging lockers, port and starboard. Stowing some things in there. Two little bedside tables. Storage, port and starboard. You've got the little vanity here. And then we've got the dual access head here. So these are matching heads with the shower in the middle, rain shower with the handheld there. It's just a great area down here. Moving forward, we have the twin guest cabin here to port. Love this little room. And this has a shared head here. This is also the day head. We've got toilet, full stall shower, and then in here is the access to our laundry room, which I can show you here. So our laundry room, ironing board, storage for our soap and things like that. That's that same head I just showed you. So this head is shared by the folks in this cabin, and then the other twin cabin across the hallway. This is our kid or grandkid bunk room. And then forward is the VIP cabin. It's a very luxurious cabin here, set all the way forward in the boat. A lot of room with that plumb bow. We have quite a bit of volume in here. Another TV and vanity. And another full-size head with stall shower. We've got electric freshwater flush toilets from Tecma with the bidet function. All right. And coming forward into the engine space, got our two big Volvo D13 1,000 horse motors in here. Our Raycor fuel filters, all of our breakers on the wall there. This is our Dometic air conditioning unit, Reverso oil change pump, our C-Fire fire suppression system, one of our two big generators here. We've got one mounted here, the other one mounted aft. And here's a look at our Spot Zero. This is our water maker and water filtration system here. So take a look at all that. It's our fresh water pump. And this boat has the Northern Lights generators. And back there you can see the Glendinning shore power reel. Thank you all for tagging along on this walkthrough tour of RAVID. If you have any questions about this beautiful 2023 Sirena 68, please feel free to reach out to me directly. My contact information is down below in the information section.